Hi, this is Jeff Dvorak, Pepper Superintendent, with another construction update at Hinsdale Central High School. The Student Services Addition is now open for students and staff for use. We are currently working on completing the concrete plaza and water feature on the exterior. The Fine Arts addition is well underway with the roofing near completion. The exterior soffit framing and sheathing is being installed. We are currently installing overhead mechanical in the new lobby space and main entrance. The new practice rooms, band storage room, band room, and support spaces are also nearing completion with the finished paint being installed. I hope you enjoyed this construction update, and until next time, thank you and have a great day.